Hello everyone! After such a long time, we finally decided to spend the day outside with the family because it had been raining almost every single day. Summer honestly hasn't been that great this year, but that day it was super warm. Actually, it was super hot, so we thought, okay, let's get outside and enjoy the weather while it lasts. Here you can see I'm definitely the slowest cyclist in the group. My brother keep ringing the bell to pedal faster, but I get tired really quickly, especially going uphill. So I had to stop for a little break. We biked for about an hour and 10 minutes and we finally made it. Just look at how red my face is. I was completely exhausted. And of course, no matter how hot it is, we're still drinking chai. That's just how Afghans are. We also had a barbecue. Since Laura and I don't eat meat, we had tofu skewers instead, and they were honestly so delicious. And the rest of the family went with the classic kebabs. Here we play a few card games, and yes, I made sure to record the moment I won.
Ooh, I'm winning. Ole hyvä.
Oletko se YouTube?
Joo.
Ei!
Moino kuchurafta? Oh, no. Mamiyo masume.
Okay, now this is where the chaos begins. Like out of nowhere, this huge dark cloud started to come, and like within minutes, it started pouring. And it literally felt like we were standing under a shower. The rain was that heavy, and there was thunders, lightning. Everyone was screaming.
One mine. Mine is sandy. Mine's also sandy. My feet is sandy. No, I'm scared. Oh, that was
cool.
There's only one person. Wait. I do this the whole night.
Tähänkin sataa.
Oi vittu! Tääkin! 제가 돈 주려 보다.
Use my mentality.
Som kiwi.
Som kiwi!
People were still swimming in the lake. We were so worried because being in the water during a thunderstorm is really dangerous. We were even wondering if we should go tell them to get out.
Laura! بیا بیدون کیا اون چه بامن
اونا میدن بس سرشون رو زیر آب کن چون اگه جوری بالا باشه میزنه به همونا. وی کاش که بیان بیرون.
Here, the rain got so intense that we had to put our phones away. We were using towels to cover ourselves because the rain was literally slapping us in the face. And like within minutes, we were completely soaked.
دایی بیاد اینجا. مامی بیا اینجا.
After the rain stopped, everything felt peaceful. We were freezing from our wet clothes, and the public restrooms were packed with people seeking for warmth. And like with strangers, talked to each other, shared news, and like help each other. And it was really warm and collective experience for me.
آقا همه چپه شد ده بخی چپه شد او بر درخت اونجا هم چپه شد خیلی اوضاع خیت بوده قاچاقی سمیه نگاه کنید والا از کجا میره این سمیه لورا میگه جدیه
On the way back, we realized just how serious the storm had actually been. There were fallen trees everywhere. If this had happened while we were biking through the forest, it could have been really dangerous.
او یک درخت دیگه هم اینجا که
As we kept biking back, we saw even more fallen trees. I think there were at least 5 or 6 of them blocking parts of the path. We actually had to get off our bikes and leave them over the trees before we could continue. And on the way, we also spotted a deer.
آغازی
میگه چیز خالی هم باشه خطرناکه. زمین خالی.
بریم کلام
People were already outside again, making the most of it. Kids were standing next to a giant puddle, waiting for cars to drive through and splash them with water. They were laughing so hard, and honestly, it was really cute to watch.
بیا مردم نگاه دلش هم خود که خیز شد دوباره
اون یه راه دیگه خیلی پایی ماشین
And here we saw another lake that looked absolutely gorgeous. It was so calm after the storm that we had to stop and just enjoy the view.
Frozen pizza. It is. Tai
Se olisi
freshly
pitänyt
baked.
olla, eikö fast pizza?
Niin, tai freshly baked pizzas.
After all that biking, we got hungry and decided to try this place called Pizza. I'm not honestly sure what the name stands for, and they make the pizza ready in just 3 minutes. And I'm actually curious, how they automate the process of preparing the pizza in 3 minutes? So if anyone knows, let us know.
Hello. Gurkel. Säger ju.